What's going on, future entrepreneurs? Welcome back to your favorite channel where we talk about passive income, stocks, crypto, and affiliate marketing. Go ahead and give me that LNS special, guys. Hit the like and the subscribe button for more content. I'm very close to getting my 200 subs that I was trying to get for the end of the month. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me. Now let's get into reason for today's video. But before that, let's go ahead and read the disclaimer just a little bit. This channel and the information included in it are not intended to serve as a substitute for a financial consultation. Certain issues, concerns, and conditions always require the advice of appropriate legal professionals. Seek financial advice when needed. And if you want to read the rest of this in its entirety, just come back, hit the pause button, and read it from the top to the bottom. I'll leave that up to you. Let's go ahead and talk about COTPS, the crypto over-the-counter passive income system that I've been using for over a little bit over 30 days. I think today is number 35. Day number 35. You see I'm over $3,000 total in the account. $3,000 in the transaction. $4 left in my wallet. Guys, the money that I'm making, there's people out there making more money than me. There's guys out there who have accounts with $1 million. There's guys out there who have accounts with $500,000. There's guys out there who have accounts with $150,000. So there are people out there making a lot more money than me in this exact same system. The system is very, very, very easy to use. So some of the setup may not be so easy depending on how tech savvy you are, or you may not be. And for those of you who are not, I'm going to leave a resource tab down below for you if you have any other questions outside of the ones that you may have that I don't answer in the video. And as you can see right now, I'm at 3050 in my assets. Let's go here. And today is day number 35, 3050. Yesterday we were at 2946. So let's pull out that handy calculator so we can do a little bit of math on screen here. We got 3050. We're going to subtract that. 2946. And today is our first $100 day. I don't really count yesterday, so I'm just going to count today as our first $100 day. And let's go ahead and do the math. You divide that by 3050, and that's going to give you the percentage. Right now I'm at 3.4%, which is still pretty good. I haven't missed any trades. I did add $500 on the day 32. That's how I made the jump from 22 to 28. And let's see here. That was, did I put that in the right one? No, 3.4. I didn't put that here. 3.4%. So so you can see, guys, this system pretty much works. The system is easy. You pretty much just go in, you add your crypto. If you're not sure how to do that, I'm going to leave a link down below. That'll have a lot. It's going to have a lot of the questions answered. If any of your questions are not answered in there, comment down below, and I'll make a video, or I'll address your comment on one of my next videos. This system here is, it's very exciting. I don't have to do anything but log into the account and see my money multiply every day after day. I would like for it to go faster, but guess what? This is what I have. This is what it is. This is also account for someone who doesn't have a lot of money, and you can add money sparingly whenever you get a chance. As you can see over time, just to show you guys, I started off with 800, and some people may not have 800. You may have 100. You can start wherever you are, just to get started and start to make some of the passive income. And as long as the system is up and it's making the money for you. Now, there is a risk involved with the system. Everyone in here has the same exact risk, just like the other accounts I'll tell you. Some people have. There's one guy, he sent an email home because I'm on his list, and I joined under him. That's how I heard about the system. He's making $20,000 per day now. That's including the people on who's joined under him, though. That's the reason why some people are been able to get these extraordinary results. It's because they're good at promoting it. They're pretty much good at referring people. But you don't have. It's not mandatory that you refer. You don't have the referral to refer people to make money. That's how the majority of my account, 90% of the money you see me make in my account is no referrals. I just recently started to get some referrals in, which is good. And as you can see, I'm still right around 3%. This one day I had 4%, but I'm still hanging right around 3% even with referrals, which is, that's still good. I appreciate every last one of you who have joined and you're looking for more information, and I thank you for that. But the reason I really want to make the videos is to show you that you can take small amounts of money and you can turn it into profits. But it's also just like I was saying a minute ago, it's a risk. Now, how long you stay in the system is going to depend on you. Just make sure you create a strategy. Like I was watching a guy yesterday, because I do watch some other people's videos just to see, if I miss anything or if someone else's actually has another strategy that's better. I'm always looking for more information. And the one thing I would not do that he was doing is he was taking out money every single day. What I would do is I would take out money maybe every once a week, but I would let the rest of my money compound. I would let it gain. I would let it pick up more in the system. And something else that he was not doing, what he was like, let me show you exactly what I mean here. Like, let me go to this tab, and if you go to my team, it'll pretty much show you how much money I've made off the people who've joined, and how much money that I've earned off of them once they've made money. So I'm only making money if you make money. On the first level, I have these people, and I've made nothing off of them. So once they start making transactions, I'll make a little bit of money off of them. But normally, from what I've seen, is you make the most off, for some reason, you make the most off the second and the third level, which is a little bit peculiar, but that seems to be the trend that I see on all of the videos that I watch. The first level is not, it's like the first level is not a lot, the second one, each one gets bigger. So it seems like the other levels is where you pretty much make more of the residual income than the first level. And this one is still showing zero. There was some money that was showing up on yesterday and the day after that, and the residual income's on the second and third level, but it seems like it may have slowed down. They may not be having any transactions for today, or they may have made withdrawals, so there may not be anything there. And I also see progress, because there was only one person here the other day, so now there's two. So my team is building up slowly but surely. And that's all you do, guys. You come and you can make videos, or you can go and market on Facebook like some people. I may make a video showing you what I've been doing. It's very simple without the things that I've been doing. It doesn't take a lot of time. It doesn't take really a lot of thought. I'll show you guys exactly what I've been doing, maybe in a couple days. But pretty much that's it, guys. I mean, 30. Let's go back to the home page. And the transaction page, $3,050, and I only put in how much? Let's see the total that I added. The total that I've added to my account so far, and this is over time, not all at once. If you put it in all at once, I'll probably be at more than this right now. The total I've added is $1,360. Now let's go ahead. I'll just go ahead and do the math right quick on that. So I have 3046, and you subtract that from 1360, and I also add in the 17 cents just to be exact. Right now I have I'm plus $1,700 right now, and I'm not doing anything but making videos and pretty much coming in and maybe not even clicking buttons, just checking my account and clicking the refresh button to see how much is there. Guys, I appreciate you watching this video for so long. If you watched all the way to the end, go ahead and give me the subscribe, guys. 80% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. If you like the content, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, guys. This is Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.